Sanmanani Molweni and welcome back to my YouTube channel, to my returning subscribers, my regulars hellos, to my new subscribers hellos. And as you can see by the title, we're filming a how to do your own nails. And I'm using the gel sculpted tips from Naylor, but I think they also have it from the brand Apres and other brands as well, but I'm using the ones from Naylor. I bought it at Planet Nails. I think it was 100 and something, I'm not quite sure. But now I'm using a cuticle remover to like soften. It softens the cuticle, so when you're pushing it up, it's already soft. And I bought it at Planet Nails. It was 24 Rand. In with a cuticle pusher. I bought it at Planet Nails, but they also have it at Bling and at Mimikyu, and I think also at Chinese shops. Yeah, just pushing up the cuticle, and as you can see with the cuticle remover, it's much more easy. You can see the skin there, the extra gunk there. The cuticle fork just to scrape off the cuticle that's left there and the extra gunk that's on my nail. You must be very careful with this. You must do it thoroughly, because if the cuticle is still holding on to the nail, it's going to cause lifting. Now I'm going in with the drill just to make sure that the cuticle is completely off. And yeah, as you can see, I bought this drill at Glowish, the online beauty retail that I once did a nail haul. The video is still here on my channel, but you can also get this drill at Mimikyu. I think it retails for 190. Mimikyu in Claremont or Cape Town. Okay, so why I chose to use the drill first before cutting the cuticle is because I was struggling to actually see where the dead cuticle dry skin is and where the live tissue is, and I was cutting live tissue from myself and my clients, and I recently realized when I use the drill first then cut the cuticle after, I can like, because the drill helps in like lifting up the cuticle so you can see the dry dead skin, so it helps for me to actually be able to see the difference and not cut out live tissue. So that is why I use the drill first. Now I'm going in with my cuticle fork. I choose to use a cuticle fork because with the cuticle nipper I was just cutting way too much skin and live tissue out. So with the cuticle fork it becomes way easier. I bought this cuticle fork at Planet Nails. I think it was even less than 20 rand. I can't remember how much it was, but it was cheap. Planet Nails in Claremont. Now I'm going in with a buffer just to lightly buff my natural nails before we begin. And now I'm going in with a primer that I bought at Planet Nails, also 20-something rand. I do actually do 2 coats of primer, the first coat and then I let it dry, and then you're going to see me in the video also doing a second coat after this first one is dry.